For thousands of years, humanity has looked up and wondered. We have traced patterns in the stars, told stories about gods and monsters in the constellations, and dreamed of worlds beyond our own. The night sky has always been a mirror, reflecting both our curiosity and our longing to understand. But as our tools grew sharper, so too did our questions. We built telescopes that could capture the faintest whispers of light, sent probes to wander among the planets, and launched observatories into the depths of space. And still, the universe grew larger, more complex, and infinitely more mysterious. Now, at the dawn of a new era, we've built something different. Not a telescope, not a satellite, but a kind of mind. A machine capable of learning, recognizing, and imagining. Artificial intelligence, the latest lens through which humanity is beginning to see the cosmos. Every night, the universe sends us an unending stream of information. Light waves, radio signals, cosmic particles, and electromagnetic echoes from events billions of years old. Our instruments gather this data faithfully, painting a digital portrait of the heavens. But this portrait is vast beyond comprehension. The Vera-C Rubin Observatory, for example, will record tens of terabytes of sky data every single night, capturing billions of stars, galaxies, and fleeting cosmic events. What was once a few photographs through a telescope is now a tsunami of numbers, a living, breathing record of the universe in motion. To human eyes, it's simply too much. No team of astronomers, no matter how skilled or dedicated, can comb through it all. Hidden within this avalanche of information are the subtle traces of discovery. A flicker that reveals a new planet, a distortion that signals a distant galaxy, a pulse that might whisper of intelligent life. But finding them requires something that can see patterns at scales beyond our imagination. That something is AI. Artificial intelligence does not look at the sky the way we do. It does not dream or feel awe, but it perceives, in its own strange, mathematical way, the hidden symmetries of the universe. Machine learning algorithms can study billions of data points, analyzing the delicate dimming of starlight or the faint color shifts in a galaxy's glow. Where human eyes might see random noise, AI sees structure. Where we see chaos, it sees connection. These systems learn from examples, trained on mountains of past observations until they can recognize the cosmic fingerprints of planets, stars, black holes, and supernovae. With each iteration, they become more precise, more intuitive, more capable of discovery. AI can spot the telltale rhythm of a planet passing in front of its star, a tiny, almost invisible dip in brightness that reveals a new world. It can sort and classify millions of galaxies in moments, organizing the architecture of the cosmos like notes in a vast symphony. And it can predict stellar explosions before they happen, giving astronomers precious time to witness the death of a star in real time. AI is not merely a tool. It is becoming the astronomer's new sense, a way of seeing the invisible. The partnership between human curiosity and machine intelligence has already rewritten the story of discovery. In 2018, using data from NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, an AI developed by Google identified two previously unknown exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars, lost in oceans of data that had already been examined by human scientists. The planets were there all along, silent and unseen, until a machine's pattern recognition brought them to light. A year later, humanity achieved something once thought impossible. We saw the unseeable. The first image of a black hole, captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, was assembled through the combined efforts of hundreds of scientists, and AI algorithms that piece together radio signals from across the planet. That haunting ring of light, encircling a shadow, was not just an image. It was a testament to a new kind of vision, one born from the collaboration of human intuition and machine precision. These moments are not accidents. They are signs of a profound shift, a merging of mind and machine in the quest to understand the cosmos. Despite the headlines, AI is not replacing the astronomer. It cannot feel wonder or ask why. It cannot look up at the night sky and feel the quiet pulse of existence that every stargazer knows. But what it can do, what it does, is amplify our abilities beyond imagination. It frees scientists from the endless labor of sorting and measuring, allowing them to focus on meaning, on theory, on the next great leap. It becomes a partner, one that handles the impossible scale of cosmic data, so that we can focus on the questions that truly matter. In this relationship, humans bring creativity and curiosity. AI brings speed and precision. Together, they form a kind of cosmic duet, one composed of logic and wonder, mathematics and imagination. Through AI, astronomers are no longer bound by human limits. We can explore the birth of galaxies, simulate the formation of planetary systems, and search for the faintest chemical hints of life in distant atmospheres. Every algorithm becomes an extension of human vision, an extra eye, gazing across the infinite. In the coming decades, the flow of data will become a flood. Next-generation observatories like the Square Kilometre Array will map the universe in radio waves, generating more data each day than the entire internet. The James Webb Space Telescope and its successors will peer deeper into cosmic time, revealing the first stars that ever formed. AI will be there, analyzing, interpreting, discovering, turning raw light into knowledge. Already, scientists are using AI to identify the chemical fingerprints of potential habitable worlds, to simulate the birth of entire galaxies, and to search for signals that may one day prove we are not alone. In this partnership, the machine becomes more than a tool. It becomes an extension of human curiosity itself. The universe is not growing smaller. It is expanding, both in space and in our capacity to understand it. From Galileo's first telescope to the powerful eyes of space observatories, every generation has found new ways to look at the sky. Now, artificial intelligence gives us something more, not just sharper vision, but deeper insight. AI teaches us to see patterns where we once saw darkness, to find meaning where we once found mystery. It reminds us that even as machines learn to recognize the universe, it is still the human spirit, curious, restless, unending, that drives discovery forward. We built AI to help us understand the stars, but perhaps, in doing so, we are also learning something about ourselves, about our desire to explore, to question, to connect with the infinite. In the end, the story of AI in astronomy is not about replacing the human mind. It's about expanding it, extending our reach across space and time, into realms we could never touch alone. We are no longer just witnesses to the cosmos. We are participants, humans and machines, thinking together, gazing outward, and finding new ways to illuminate the vast and beautiful dark.